Guys, so very excited to do this video. This is actually my very first video of an unboxing of the BoxyCharm box. So we're gonna get right to it. And actually this box, for some whatever reason, it just arrived yesterday. I'm not sure if any of you guys received any late boxes. However, I did. Mine just came in yesterday, but oh my god, this is very exciting. So I'm just opening it. I didn't get a chance to take a look at it yesterday just because we got home so super late, but here we go, the BoxyCharm All Access box. And bear with me guys on the lighting, might be a little horrible lighting. Okay, so oh my god, these great products. So first of all, we got the Glow Recipe Pineapple Bright Serum. So this serum is actually a brightening and smoothing serum, pineapple vitamin C and chamomile. Oh my god. So I know you guys have already seen this, right? So let's go ahead and open this. Oh my god. So I saw this at I'm not gonna say which store, but saw it a couple of months ago when it got released. I don't know about this, but it smells pretty good. You know what it reminds me of? Those crushed canned pineapples, you know, that you use for cooking or whatever. Mine is really good. Like you just want to eat it, you know? But it is very thick. Okay, so this serum actually reveals poreless, translucent, and illuminating glass skin with brightening pineapple. And I'm going to be doing a follow-up on this, guys. I am all about skincare. And, you know, you always want to make sure that you take care of skin, especially when you use makeup. I use makeup on a daily basis. So I am very excited about this one here. And actually, that is retail value of, let's see, Glow Recipe, $49, guys. Wow. $49. So moving on up. Let's see, next one. The Dr. Brand, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys got this. This is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So, I love sleeping masks. Like I said, all about skincare. This is it, you guys. I am very excited. I'm also going to start using this starting tonight. So follow me on the this follow up on it, right? Dang. Oh my god. Next, IJK Mistress really hydrating hair balm. So this one here, leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair. You have dry, coarse, frizzy hair. If you want smooth, soft, hydrated hair, so simply apply to damp or dry hair, air dry or blowout. Wow. So it seems like you can actually use this whenever time of the day. Dry hair, wet hair, whichever it may be. It smells like coconutty. So it does have coconut oil, so right, coconut oil. So this is the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm, y'all. This is pretty good. This is a very good brand. So I'm very excited about that. I'm all about hair, taking care of myself and my hair, as this is my natural hair, guys. Yes, I have not dyed it for like since my 11-year-old, before he was born. So we got next. Oh my god, Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, the Stila lipstick. So very excited about this one as well. I love this brand of lipsticks, and I don't know, I'm sorry looking over there, but should be looking over here. Very excited about this. Oh my god, this is the Angelo shade in Angelo. I don't think I have this, and I have quite a few of these liquid lipsticks, and this is actually one of my very favorite brands, other than Kat Von D brands. I just think Kat Von D brands, they are beautiful. They stay very long wear lipsticks. However, they do tend to dry my lips. I don't know if everyone's lips, but my lips. This one, even though it's a dry lipstick, it doesn't tend to dry as much, and doesn't tend to feel like just, you know, make my lines, my lips even more obvious. So I love it. I'm in love with this. Thank you, BoxyCharm. And sorry, I didn't see Dr. Brand actually, which I'm sure a lot of you guys already know. The Dr. Brand is retail value of $52, guys. Wow, so that alone already. Then we have this lipstick, of course. That one is $22. And the IGK Mistress Balm. This is actually, oh, it goes, oh, $29, guys. So, my God, so we already made up, you know, our monthly payments, okay? Oh, let me open this, guys. Okay, so this is the Hank and Henry, oh, what is this? So hard to open. Hank and Henry liquid liner in blickety black. Let's see. And I love eyeliner, especially liquid eyeliners, but however, on a daily basis, I am more of a just waterline liner, and unless, you know, we go out or whatever, then you do want to go ahead and use that liner. So yeah, it's very nice actually. It has a very nice tip. If you guys can see this, it's very nice. Very nice tip. Sorry, it's kind of blurry there, but it's a very nice tip, and it actually, you can do very either thick lines, very, you know, thin lines. Check this out, guys. Yeah. So we shall see how long this lasts, right? So this one here is actually retail value of $20. Yay! So $20. Next but not least, we have the Mata Studio brush set. Yay! So I'm very excited because honestly, guys, my brush sets have been gone through and came back. Oh my God, this is that one. Sorry, guys. So they actually have went through so much, but so I was actually needed this, and I heard that you guys, there was an email that went out sometime, I don't know when, a couple of weeks ago, probably, obviously, to customize your box. Unfortunately, I did not get that email, so therefore I got these. But however, I am very happy camper. I'm not going to go very much into detail. However, I am noticing that they are very, very soft, especially this one here for the face. It actually comes with its own little protector, so that is very cool. This one does too. So, woohoo! So yeah, so it comes with a powder brush, a contour brush, a glow, a shader, a crease, a smudger, detail, and brow brush. So yeah, guys, so these are, tells you what they do in case you guys are new to the makeup world. Either way, even if you're not, you already know, like, brushes, you know, can get pretty technical, whatnot. But the brushes are retail value of $69.99, guys. Oh my God, this is worth $69.99. Wow, that yet alone just makes up for everything, doesn't it? And I was waiting for this, actually, guys. I'm a big fan of the Violet Boss, and we have received a couple months ago, we received another palette. Sorry, I can't even speak. It's so late already, obviously, here. But yeah, so I was waiting for this because I love their eyeshadows. They are like the creamiest ever, and this thing is like flying all over the place, but they're like the creamiest ever. And oh my God, look how beautiful this is, guys. Look at this. Oh my God, so pretty. I just love Violet Boss's eyeshadows. They are the best, and it comes in this very very, very friendly case. They are actually big, they are actually pretty big pans for these eyeshadows, so you get a very, very good quantity of product in here. And this is actually worth $29, guys. This is a fun, it's just fun, you know, especially for the holidays. They're coming for the fall. You want those colors. And last but not least, guys, I'm very, very excited about this. So this palette, So I know a lot of you guys have already had this palette or not. I may be mistaken, but this palette, the Tarte Park Avenue palette, it was given out a couple of months back. Seems that I didn't get it that time, but I am very, very happy. My God, it's just so beautiful. It's just heavy. It's just very, very sturdy. It's just, oh my God, the quality in this palette that Tarte put. Who doesn't have enough contour palettes, right? However, this palette, oh my God, this is just a beautiful palette. Let me show you guys. Look at this palette. Look at those colors, you guys. It is very, very versatile. This palette is like my favorite. I've been wanting to get my hands on it. So thank you BoxyCharm for this. Even though I did not get to choose my palette. There I go. So this is actually worth $45. And I'm very, very, very happy with this. So yeah. So okay guys, so let's go ahead and add all of these products actually. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the Park Avenue Princess palette. That is $45, so go ahead and add that. We have the Glow Recipe Pineapple Serum. That is, what did we say? $49. We have the Dr. Brandt. That is $52. We have the IGK Mistress Hair Balm. That is $29. We have the Stila Lipstick. That is $22. And we have the liner. That is $20. We have the By the Boss Essentials palette, and that is $29. And last but not least, again, we have the brush set here, which is $69.99, guys. $69.99. So that is a total of $315.99. No lie. I gotta say, BoxyCharm, you guys always amaze me with our products, and I'm very, very, very glad that I was able to upgrade my box a couple of months back. And this is actually my third, if I'm not mistaken, my third BoxyLuxe box. So I'm all for this box. Thank you guys for joining me today and watching my channel and watching this unboxing. This is my very first box again. So I am very, very grateful. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye. See you next time.